Hey, what's up guys? My name is Erica. Welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm so excited that we are finally in 2020. And I'm super excited because I finally got my hands on a Boxycharm premium box. So that's what this video is going to be featuring. Super excited. Yeah, so if this is something you find interesting, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription box. They did change the prices. So the regular, which is the base box by Boxycharm, is $25 a month. And you get, I think about 5 full-size items. And then the premium, which is something new that they added on, I think since last month, is $35, and you get like from 6 to 7 full-size items. And this month I have 6 full-size items. And yeah, so I'm super excited. So this month's theme for Boxycharm is breaking the ice. It looks like this. That's how the little pamphlet looks. This pamphlet comes in each box because it kind of tells you about each product that you do receive in your box, the MSRP on each product. So yeah, I'm just straight up bumming it in this video because it is kind of chilly here in San Antonio, Texas, and I just did not feel like getting dressed. I love chilling in a oversized sweater with some biker shorts or some leggings, and that's what I'm doing today. So I hope none of you guys mind. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. So one of the first products that I noticed right away is this Lolita eyeshadow, a single eyeshadow by Kat Von D. So I love Kat Von D. I've mostly just used like her liquid lipsticks. I haven't really used any of her eyeshadows, but I am well aware of her Lolita shade in her liquid lipstick because it's one of her popular shades that she has out there. So they actually made a single eyeshadow of it, and guys, it is so good. Let me see. Oh, almost dropped it. So it comes in her classic black packaging with her logo right here in front. And you go ahead and open it, and there is her shade, guys. Oh my God. Beautiful. Like Valentine's is coming up. I could already imagine some like smoky eye with this color in it as well. Beautiful. I don't know. Let me see if it's pigment. Ooh, her shadows are very, very soft. This is how it looks when it's on my finger. Let me go ahead and swatch it. See how. Oh, it actually swatches really well. I don't know if you can see that. I'm like super bad with swatches, guys, but it swatched very well for a matte eyeshadow. The MSRP for this eyeshadow is $19. So kind of pricey, but for the size of the pan, which it has 3.2 grams in it, really good. I think this will last a long time. So okay, so the next product that I'm going to go ahead and mention here is the $1 Billion Brows, the best brow kit ever. That's what it's called. Looks like this, comes in a whole packaging like this. So this product, I don't know, the name is like so familiar to me. Like, I don't know if they sell it at Kohl's or what, but I feel like I've seen it somewhere. I've heard of this brand before. It's pretty good. Like, I know that for sure. I looked it up one time, and they do have really good brow products that have very good reviews on them. This is the best seller kit. It says, transform your brows with these essential brow products. Use a universal brow pencil to sculpt your desired look. With the Brow Duo pencil, highlight the brow bone for an instant lift and define with concealer above the brow. Blend, highlight, and conceal with the smudge brush for a flawless finish. Complete with a coat of brow gel for an all-day lasting hold. So this kit comes with it all, guys. You do get 4 products in here, which is the Universal Brow Pencil, the Brow Duo Pencil, and Smudge Brush with the Clear Brow Gel. So awesome. The retail value for this is $42. So yeah, this on its own is already more than what you pay for the box. So pretty good. So when you take everything out in the box, almost fell everywhere. Yeah, so this is the brow pencil. It is a universal brow pencil, so it should go with everyone. I love that the tip to this is so precise, because I kind of hate the brow pencils that have like a boxy type shape tip to them. No, those do not work. Okay, so if you ever see those in stores, do not buy them, or at least they don't work for me. I don't know if you guys feel the same, but you want a brow pencil that has a very, very precise tip to it, like this one. You do have the spoolie on the end to go ahead and brush out your brows. I wish I would have got this box before I did my makeup, but it didn't work out that way. The next thing is this smudge brush. Ooh, it actually feels like a really good high-end brush, like, and the bristles are so soft. I think it's going to be so easy to go ahead and smudge this concealer out. So yeah, this brush is looking good. I'm kind of excited for this product. I love any type of brow products, and I love trying new brow products. New brow products. Okay, so this is the brow gel. Comes with a great little spoolie right here. Oh, smells weird, but yeah. Oh, maybe I could use some of this brow gel real quick. We'll see. And then it has the concealer, so you kind of have like a more, I don't know, I guess you could kind of say that this is kind of my skin tone, or a little bit darker. Yeah, this one would be the one that you would put on top, definitely, because it's more like of a skin tone, more closer to my foundation color. And then this one is lighter, so you will use it on the bottom to highlight that brow bone. And I love that each one of these has like this like little indentation right here, so that whenever you snap it into place, like it really holds, like it's not going to come undone. So great for traveling, because I hate when I travel and then I take products like this around and then it just the top comes off all the time. So love the packaging on this. Yeah, so can't wait to try these out. The next product I have in here, the next two products I'm going to be mentioning are skincare products, and I'm so excited because I'm a skincare junkie. Love anything skincare. Love it when we get it in our Boxycharms, because it gives me, you know, the opportunity to try out products that I wouldn't normally purchase because of the, you know, the hefty little price tag that a lot of them do have. So the first product that I'm going to be mentioning is the Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. So yeah, I have like acne prone skin. It's sensitive skin. I got kind of combo, a little bit more on the drier side right now since we're in winter. But this cleanser would do great for me. So it says here it is 100% free from phthalates, whatever. I'm going to put the name here so that you guys know what the hell I'm talking about. Parabens, mineral oil, sodium lauryl sulfate, and formaldehyde releasing agents. And they're cruelty free. I'm sorry that I butchered a lot of those words there. Have never seen them. Well, I have, but just don't know how to pronounce them. Let me go ahead and take it out. This comes with 6.3 fluid ounces, guys. It is huge. Like, this is literally looks like the size of like a shampoo or something. This is going to go a long way. I already know. The MSRP for this is $34. It says this effective yet gentle foam cleanser is where clear skin begins. 2% salicylic acid provides major acne clearing power, while superfood licorice helps brighten the look of past blemish marks. Alcohol and fragrance free, this cleanser treats regular or occasional breakouts, leaving skin looking soft and glowing, which is it's exactly what I have. I have occasional breakouts here and there. I love that it has salicylic acid in it and something else. Oh, that it's alcohol and fragrance free, because because my skin loves products like that. And I love that it comes, well, it is a foam cleanser, so it's bound to come with an you know, like this up here. Oh, love it. I kind of want to. Should I? Okay, let's just test this out. Let's see how foamy. Ooh, look at that. Let me see how it smells. So, I don't know. It kind of smells like an acne product. Doesn't smell that pretty, but it is fragrance free, so what was I expecting? But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. I will definitely be letting you guys know. Follow my Instagram, guys. I will leave it linked somewhere down here so that you guys can follow me, because I do post occasional updates on products that I have got in my Boxycharm box, so that you can see like if I liked them or not, what's going on with all that. Okay. The next product I have here is by Bliss. It is their Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. Wow, that was a mouthful. They are cruelty free. It says this silky souffle mask with a combination of powerful clays deeply cleanses skin and minimizes the look of pores without leaving it dry or tight. So that is awesome, because I'm not sure if a lot of you guys are aware, but when you do use clay mask, a lot of the times your skin does feel super tight, like especially mine, since I have combo skin, but more to the drier side most of the time. Yeah, I get that issue where my skin feels super tight after cleansing it sometimes. So I have to use products that I really know are going to work for my skin and that are suitable for my skin. And this looks like a good product. The MSRP for this product is $18. So super excited. Let me take it out of the packaging so you guys can see. Yeah, so it has like an applicator like this, and then you kind of like pop this little thing off, and then you can pour the product. The product comes out through there, which I love this little thing that they kind of added to the tip, because it helps you close it so that product doesn't come out after you use it. So love that. Okay, so the next product that I got here is by Farsali. Super excited to receive this product because I have been wanting to try Farsali products for so long and just haven't, because they can be a little pricey sometimes, and I kind of just like, I don't know, is it gonna work out for my skin? Like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I kind of didn't know if I should give it a shot or not. But I'm so glad that I received this one. This is the Liquid Glass Radiant Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. Let me read what it says here. It says a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow with hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can be used as a hydrating skincare serum or as a radiance boosting primer before makeup, which I will be using both, like for both ways, because yeah. So the MSRP for this is $54. Yeah, pretty pricey. So let's take it out of the packaging. It has the classic glass bottle. Just looks so luxurious, guys. Look how good. Let me see what it smells like. Ooh, kind of smells like berries and nail polish. Yeah, just it smells good, but then you do get like a little hint of nail polish. So super excited to try this out. I was kind of thinking of doing a video where I test out a lot of Boxycharm products that I've received in the past, like now and in the past, and kind of try to do like a full face. I know that they are barely coming out with complexion products, but I thought that would kind of be fun to use as much Boxycharm products as I can, because I think I have a lot of products to do that except for foundation. So yeah, maybe I'll give it a go. So look out for a video like that. And last but not least, guys, the last product I have here is the Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette by Too Faced. Guys, this palette is probably by far my favorite palette that's ever come in any Boxycharm box. The retail value for this is $45. Like, guys, come on. Like, this alone is already more than what you're paying for the box, and then I still got all the extra goodies in here. So super excited. When you take it out of the packaging, it has a little pamphlet here. It kind of gives you like some ideas. Ooh, super pretty. It kind of gives you like some ideas of some looks that you can create. This one would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Yeah, and I'm going to be posting a lot of Valentine's Day looks pretty soon. I'm going to start a little early. So look out for those on my IG. Okay, guys? So it comes with a beautiful mirror there. You see it's like super big. And then these are the beautiful shadows. It comes with 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so it has one over here. Cabana, Saucy and Bossy, TFTI, BYOB, Rum Tiki, Swizzle Stick, Last Call, She's Lit, Dirty Martini, Buzzkill, Mocktail, and Swank. Love the names of these eyeshadows. And the colors in here are so beautiful. I love that they have some pops of color in here, but it's such a wearable palette, guys. Like, so good. I don't know if you're questioning at all about subscribing to Boxycharm, especially premium. If you can get on that wait list, do it. Or just even their regular box. I actually received my regular my base box tomorrow, so I'll be filming a video on that. But yeah, they, dang, I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, it's been one of those days. Dang, I forgot what I was saying. Look for it. It should be somewhere in the room on Dad's side. Yeah, if you're thinking about subscribing to the box, I highly suggest it. Even the base one is amazing. The premium is so amazing. But I would do it because if you have the extra funds, that is. If you don't, then, you know, wait till you do. But it's something that you should definitely keep in mind. I'll go ahead and put my link down below. So if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, you can. I'll make it easy for you so you can do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and add all the prices together so we can see how much this whole box came out to. $45 for the Too Faced palette. The Tula skincare was $34. Farsali was $54. Kat Von D was $19. Bliss was $18. And Billion Dollar Brows was $42. So this was a $212. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm like a mess today. $212 value for just $35 a month. So, yeah. Like I said, I want to do a video testing out a lot of these products. Skincare products, I actually make a lot of IG videos. So, yeah. Follow my Instagram, guys. What are you waiting for? It doesn't take that long. I know a lot of you guys out there have Instagram, okay? So don't be playing me, okay? Yeah, so I use a lot of skincare products on my IG, and I will put a lot of these to use on my IG as well for makeup videos. But I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching. Please let me know down below what you received in your box, if you did receive a premium box, or if you received your base box. What did you receive? Because I'm going to be receiving mine tomorrow, and I'm super excited. I haven't really watched any videos on Boxycharm unboxings, so I was really surprised at everything that I received in here. But yeah, give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel to join my YouTube family. I would really love that. And I'll look out for my next videos. Bye, guys.